to record a message for you to help you get settled in on your first night. Hello? Hello and welcome to your new summer job at the new and improved Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. Hey, glad you came back for another night. I promise it'll be a lot more interesting this time.
The show will begin momentarily. Everyone, please stay in your seats. I don't recognize you. You are new. I remember this scenario. However, it's a strange thing to want to do, to come here. Did you really think that this job just fell out of the sky for you? No. This was a gift for us.
Hey, boy, I think that's the birthday boy over there. We should go give him a surprise. Hey, boy, go get him. Thanks for letting me join the party. I'll try not to disappoint.
It seems you had some trouble with the keypad. I see what you were trying to type, and I will auto-correct it for you. Thank you for selecting Exotic Butters. Don't forget Saturday. You want them all to be in one place.
Is someone there? I can hear someone creeping through my room. Perhaps not.
Calm down and go back to sleep. No one is here. Oh, calm down. I think it was just a mouse. Hello in there. Someone is inside. Is it the same person? Daddy just once let me go play with her. She's so pretty and shiny. Didn't you make her just for me?
I wasn't fully appreciated in my last outing, but now I'm back to show you my full power.
She can dance. She can sing. She's equipped with a built-in helium tank for inflating balloons right at her fingertips. She can take song requests. She can even dispense ice cream. Father, it's me, Michael. I did it. I found it. It was right where you said it would be.
I knew it was a lie the moment I heard it, obviously. But it is intriguing nonetheless. What a deceptive calling.
Motion trigger, entryway vent. Motion trigger, circus gallery vent. Ballora gallery maintenance vent opened.
Welcome to my Happy Fun Rainbow Land. Let's start with something simple. Oops. Simple for most people, I guess.
Listen to my voice, and you will find the key. When you can see, how fast can you see?
What's this, a space shooter? Holy crap, is that my voice? Voice acting? No! He's gone too far this time. You need to shut this game down.
Upright or upside down? I'm an old man, Clara. I can't be a father.
Souldozer! I should have known it was you. You're not even in the right game.
The elevator stopped. You know the routine. You can get out now or whatever. Stay here if you want.
Sorry I'm late to the party. Fashionably late, of course.
You won't get tired of my voice, will you?
Let's kick this party into high gear.
They had to knock him out of the air with a broom. You worked the graveyard shift at the Fry Me Taco. Don't lie to me.
Will Vlad and his distressed mistress find common ground? Tune in next time.
It's only now that I understand the depth of the depravity of this creature, this monster that I unwillingly helped to create. As if what